Do you know the signs of magnesium deficiency? Magnesium is an essential mineral, a powerhouse that fuels countless bodily functions. Yet many of us are unknowingly deficient, leaving our bodies struggling to perform at their best. In today's discussion, we'll delve into the 11 clear signs of magnesium deficiency, bringing this invisible issue into the light. It's time to equip ourselves with knowledge to better understand our bodies and their needs. Stay tuned to find out if you are experiencing any of these symptoms. The first sign of magnesium deficiency is muscle cramps and twitches. You see, magnesium plays a crucial role in nerve transmission and muscle contraction. So, without enough of it, you might find your muscles involuntarily contracting or twitching. Now, on to the second sign, an irregular heartbeat. Magnesium is vital for the proper functioning of your heart. A deficiency can disrupt your heart's rhythm, causing palpitations or an irregular heartbeat. Quite alarming, isn't it? The third sign takes us to the realm of mental disorders. Magnesium deficiency can lead to mental problems ranging from apathy, which is characterized by mental numbness or lack of emotion, to severe cases of psychosis. This happens because magnesium is essential for brain function and mood regulation. So, muscle cramps and twitches, an irregular heartbeat, and mental disorders are 3 signs that might indicate a deficiency in magnesium. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, you might be lacking magnesium in your diet. The fourth sign of magnesium deficiency is osteoporosis. This condition, which weakens bones and makes them more prone to fractures, can be exacerbated by a lack of magnesium. You see, magnesium plays a crucial role in bone health, helping with the absorption of calcium into the bones. Without sufficient magnesium, your bones might struggle to stay strong and healthy. Moving on to the fifth sign, fatigue and muscle weakness. Magnesium is vital for converting food into energy. So, if you're not getting enough magnesium, your body might not be able to produce the energy it needs, leading to feelings of fatigue. This lack of energy can also result in muscle weakness, as your muscles aren't getting the fuel they need to function properly. Lastly, the sixth sign of magnesium deficiency is high blood pressure. Magnesium helps to relax blood vessels, so a deficiency can lead to constricted vessels and subsequently high blood pressure. These symptoms can seriously impact your day-to-day life. The seventh sign of magnesium deficiency is asthma. Magnesium has a relaxing effect on many types of muscles, including those in the bronchial tubes. When magnesium levels are low, these muscles may constrict more than they should, leading to symptoms such as wheezing and shortness of breath. Moving on, irregular sleep patterns can also indicate a lack of magnesium. This mineral is crucial for the function of GABA, a calming neurotransmitter that the brain requires to switch off. Without enough GABA, your brain may stay in overdrive, making it hard to fall asleep and stay asleep. Lastly, let's talk about leg cramps. These painful contractions are another sign of possible magnesium deficiency. Magnesium helps regulate nerve signals in your body. When you're deficient, nerves in the muscles can fire too often, causing cramps. So, if you're experiencing asthma, irregular sleep, or leg cramps, it might be your body's way of telling you that you need more magnesium. These signs are not to be ignored. The 10th sign of magnesium deficiency is a lack of appetite. This essential mineral aids digestion, so when levels are low, your stomach may not be keen on food. The 11th and final sign is migraines. Magnesium plays a key role in nerve transmission, and without enough, you may experience severe headaches. In summary, these 11 signs of magnesium deficiency are not to be ignored. Remember, maintaining a balanced diet rich in magnesium can help avoid these symptoms. Take care of your body, it's the only one you have.